Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are gonna sort an array without using the sort method. So this is very important for if you are someone who is less than 4 5 years of experience, because if you face any interviews, then this is one of the most popular questions. They would ask you to code the same, like sort an array without even using the sort method that is predefined in JavaScript. Okay, so let's start without wasting any time. Let's first create, and sorting can be done with single for loop, with using two for loops, and the interviewer might also put some conditions like restrictions, like you have to sort with only one for loop. So in this video, we'll do with just one for loop first. We'll see the other method later in another video. Okay, sorting single for purchase. Okay, so let's start. Let's take an array let a equal to, and this is very important. Okay, they are definitely going to ask you to code this, and nowadays every interviewer is expecting some coding experience, like no matter even if you're just 2 years experience, you are expected to code enough. So see, like we are doing with single for loop, right? So let's first write the for loop, and again here you can just take the length uh, and define it to one variable and then use that. Oh, but I'm just using it. So see, since you are using single for loop, the only option you are having is to compare, isn't it? Take two values, compare them, and then whichever is smaller, put it on the left, like swap them. Okay, so we'll do the same thing. First check the first one. If it is greater than the second one, just swap it. And if you don't know how to swap, then you can watch my other video. I already made it, like for absolute beginners. Okay, let's just use the temp method. We'll use one temp variable. Let's swap it. Let temp equal to a of I, a of I, a of plus one, a of I plus one. Sorry, equal to 10. Okay. So what we did was we are comparing the 20 with 1, and since 20 greater than 1, we are swapping it. We are swapping, sorting it in ascending order. So first we are swapping 20 and 1. So after first iteration, it will be 1 and 20. Isn't it? Now what we do is just write console W A and run node space sorting single for. If you see it, it's not like you are expecting, isn't it? One is there, okay, got sorted. But after that, you're having 20 and then 2, 8, 9. You can see 8 and 9, but 20 you're seeing before, isn't it? And later you're seeing 0, 4. So it's not sorting properly. The reason for that is just check here. After first sort, how would it look? Like 1, comma 20, comma 35, comma 2, comma 8, comma 9. After second sort, this is just to make you understand. 1, comma 20 and 35 would be compared. So we get 35. Sorry, 20 is smaller than 35. So it would be nothing. 35. 2, 8, 9, 0. Now after third sort, 1, comma 20, comma 35 and 2 would be compared, and you will be getting 2. And then 35, comma 8, comma 9, comma 0. Dot. So here if you see, after first iteration happened properly, but then your eye just keeps moving forward. Like the previous ones are not even being considered. You can see like 20 and 35 is checked. It's fine. So it is checking 35 and 2, and it's 5 2 before 35. Right? 2 before 35. And next it would check like 35 and 8. Next 8 and 9. But what about this previous ones? 2 and 20 also have to be checked, isn't it? So only thing you can do that is after swapping, you have to set index again to the start. Like every time you swap, you have to check the for loop right from the beginning. You have to set it from the beginning. It has to again iterate from the first and then take it. So if you press I equal to 0, then this is again a wrong. You can see 1 0 0 0. It's not again what you're expecting. Like from second it's fine, but from first it's wrong. This reason, if you set I equal to 0, again when I plus plus is also being called, isn't it? When the last statement in the for loop that would execute is I plus plus. So it's like you are starting again from the first index. This is 0th index, this is first index. You should always start from 0th index. So I should again start from 0. So that's the reason you would go I equal to minus 1. And now check, it's absolutely fine. Okay. So the only thing you have to remember, this swapping is very simple concept, but people would be mistaking here. They would be setting I equal to 0, and then the first one you would always select a bigger number, because by the when the for loop ends, the first loop ends, it would start with I equal to 1, because I plus plus is called I equal to 0, and then I plus plus is called, so I equal to 1 it would start, but it should start from I equal to 0. Okay, so you have to set I equal to minus 1. Now after every swap, it would again start the array from the first. Like 20 and 1 get swapped, again it will start from 0. 35 and 2 get swapped, again it will start from 0. So also to prove, just you can just console one hello, and you can see like how many times it would be called. This is not the right way of doing this thing, the sorting, because it would take so much time. You can see how many hellos, because every time it is sorting, again it is taking from the first. Okay. And you can also use this method, like if they ask you, if they put restriction of you have to sort it singular, you can definitely use this. And one more question what they would ask is, they would just use 0 comma 1 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 0. Okay, they would ask you to sort, they would ask you to separate all the zeros from ones, like they would say like put all the zeros at the end, or put all the zeros at the beginning, isn't it? Same concept. If you just run this, it would be the same, and it's sorting as well. So same thing, you can just use the single fill concept and then just follow that. If they say like zeros has to be the end, then all you can do is just do this, change the sign, and that's it. All one woods come forward and zero. You can remove this console string. So that's it. So these are two very important questions: sort the array, and also just put the zeros to the one end. So that's it. Thank you.